Hi guys, welcome to Weekend of Challenge by CodeChef. In this, every week we'll be posting development challenges to improve your skills on coding. So this is week 18 and let's see the problem statement. So the problem statement says typing speed test. So in this, basically whatever the user is typing, the speed is calculated in words per minute. And then we have a leaderboard where all the scores are stored for each individual person, and then we are displaying all the scores. Alright, so here we have three parts. So this is the first part. In the first part, we'll be building the typing UI with the WPM word per minute calculation. How to calculate that is the logic behind WPM calculation. Now after this, we have the second part, accuracy, adding accuracy measurement and enhanced feedback. So in this, basically we add accuracy, that is whatever the user entering is correct or not. And then in the last part, we store it and retrieve the scores using Express and MongoDB. Alright, so in this part what we should do is, it already contains several things. Now we have to fill the partial return app placeholder for this app. Where is it? Yeah, function app, and so on. Yeah, so let us jump into the code. So the code says, first we are having a function app where we have all the state variables and the function for supporting function for the state variables. For example, we have a state variable input, and that set input is used to modify the state variable, and then we have just empty space. And then similarly we have start time and set start time with the value as null. Now similarly we have result, set result, is started, set is started, whether it is started or not, initially set to false. And now we have the sample text, that is the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. So this one is the test whatever we're taking from the user. We're asking him to enter is this part. All right, now we have basically here we have to handle the input. So what does this particular part do? We have a handle input function where it runs every time a user enters. It runs every time a user types. Okay. So now after this, we check if the start timer is on. If it is on, and sorry, if the start time is not on and the user has started typing, then we set the start time with the new date. So how do we add the date? It is basically takes a seconds also. So this particular is of React this particular is a library in React, so it takes directly the time. So if it is not started, and if the time is not started but the user started typing, then we set the new start time. Now after that, if the value is equal to sample text, whatever the after user is finished entering, if it is equal to sample text with the spaces everything, then we calculate the end time, that is basically new date. So again, one is start time, one is new time. So how do we calculate the time taken? End time minus start time divided by 1000 by 60, that basically time in minutes. All right, now we have a word. So what do we do in words? Whatever the user has entered, we take the length. We split all the spaces, we remove all the spaces, and then we take the length. Now after taking the length, what do? We have a WPM, so where we use the round function with the words by time taken. The number of words by time taken, we round it off. Now after that, we print saying set you typed at WPM, whatever the result WPM he got, you have typed at this particular speed. Now after that, stop after the test is completed. Now after that, we have to set is started for false. All right, now to start the time, what we say, set input, no, reset timer. After that, we have to reset timer to initially. Now after that, we have to clear the result. Now after result, we have to again, when the user is typing again, we enter the typing mode, that is basically set is started for true. Now this is basically used for styling. All right, so let me run the program. So now I have to enter whatever it is displayed. So when I click on start test, the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. So as you can see, it is automatically ended. Now it said you typed it 46 WPM. Alright, so let me submit the program. Alright, so all the tests have passed, and that's it for this video. See you in the next video. Thank you.